Hi guys, in today's video I am doing a wig review on the Wille Dance synthetic wig in Mocha rooted. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ange and I love to share all things beauty and lifestyle aimed at the more mature woman as I navigate my more mature years. I am recently been adding wig reviews to my beauty channel. I have lots of makeup tutorials, reviews, skincare, eyeshadow tutorials for hooded eyes, but I've started doing wig reviews as well, as I have been on a journey for the last 8 to 10 months of a breast cancer treatment. So I've lost all my hair to chemotherapy and I've been on a quest to try and find a wig that I really like. I have bought several in that quest. It's not as easy as you think, and I've had to take into account a lot of things of, what do I like about a wig. So if you are interested in that sort of content, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that YouTube lets you know each time I upload a video, as I would love to see you back. Now, as I mentioned, there's a lot to consider when you are looking for a wig. Some of the things that I personally have decided that need to tick boxes for me is I don't like permatease because I like a low density. So even though this has got some volume in this wig, it is still low density and not as boofy as some wigs. I don't like a lot of permatease, but this does have some in this area if I wanted to boof up this portion, but I tend to like it a little bit more flat, but I could really get in there and boof it up if I wanted to, but it's not something I'm comfortable with. So I try not to go for wigs that do have a lot of permatease. I prefer low density. I really like lace fronts, so most of the wigs I've tried do have a lace front, and this Wille lace front is superb. I do like monofilaments, whether they're a part or a full top. You are looking at more expense if you're wanting a full monofilament top. I'm happy with just a part, just to make it look that little bit more natural. So there's some of the things that I like to look for. I find trying to find colours within a style is another thing that I've come across, that I'm venturing into different colours because I can't always get the colour that I would really like within a style that I have found. So Dance is by Wille and the Perucci collection. It is a chin-length tousled wavy bob featuring a monofilament part and a lace front, which the lace front allows you to have it pinned off your face and still look like it's natural and not too wiggy. The inside of the cap, you have your wefted cap, which allows for a cooling and not getting too hot. You have an extended velvet covered nape. It's just soft velvet. You have the adjuster tabs that I prefer, just Velcro, not the hook and eyes. And you've got the Velcro covered ear tabs that have metal stays in here for comfort. Now you have the top of the wig with your monofilament part and that beautiful, and it is a temple to temple lace front. So beautiful features on this wig. She doesn't weigh much, she's only weighs 2.7 ounces, so a really light wig, but she is short. Now I don't comb through a wig like this. I don't comb. If I do, I use a little pick like the John Renault pick, but I like to use my fingers more with a tousled wig. Now I can really play up the curls if I want to, just by using my fingers. If I wanted to, I could use like a sea salt spray by John Renault, just to really play up those curls. As I said, I don't like anything too boofy on top, so I always like to smooth down anything on top. Now the colour is Mocha Rooted. In Alan Villa, my favourite colour is Chocolate Rooted, but they didn't have that available in this style, so I went for Mocha Rooted. So it's a little bit lighter with the highlighting, but I do like the dark root. For me, that's just natural. Whenever I get my hair naturally coloured, I always have root because I've got quite a dark base, and it just looks like a natural hair colour. Okay, so front, left side, back, right. So she's a lovely tousled bob. So I am happy to wear her like this. I am also, the ear tabs, love the fact that the ear tabs sit up above my ear. Great for wearing masks, great for my glasses. I need glasses, I should be popping my glasses on. But all my wigs that I wear have to be good with glasses. In fact, I'll go and grab them. Okay, so easy to pop my glasses on. And this is where I find the ear tabs very, very important for me. I've got to worry about glasses, and then at work I have to worry about a mask. So ear tabs are super, super important to me, and I can't have them coming down too low for me. So I do like her just off my face. For me, this is an everyday easy wig. I'm going to be wearing this to work. I haven't worn many wigs for very often. This is going to be the perfect everyday wig for work. I'm going to be able to wear my mask no problem, and can tuck it, can leave it out if I want to. She's just super, super easy to wear. If I wanted to wear her off my face, because of that beautiful lace front, I can do so. So, and then just playing with the curls to have them sit however I want to. But I just think because she's a tousled, messy type of bob, I don't have to fuss with her. I can just tuck it, do whatever, and it's going to look okay no matter what. So really, really happy with this little style. Her measurements are, the front is 7.5 inches, the crown is 9.5 inches, the sides are 7.5 inches, and the nape is short at 2.5 inches. So going to be really nice and cool in the summer. She's a light density, and as I said, 2.7 ounces should be quite awesome for a summer wig as well. So that's Alan Villa Dance, and I'm really quite impressed with it. Just an easy, I didn't think when I was looking at it, I'd put it off for quite some time because she was quite short, and I was a bit worried about how she was going to look on my little full face. But for love it when you're filming and it just stops recording, so I don't know where it stopped. Okay, some of the specs on this wig. As I said, she's only 2.7 ounces, so it's going to be perfect to wear in the summer. You've got your open wefting in the back, and the cap size is a petite average, which is perfect for me, as I do have a petite average circumference and fit to my head. I love the loose tousled curls. It means it's a no fuss, easy wig to wear. I think I'm going to probably wear this a lot to work. I haven't been wearing wigs to work because I just haven't been feeling that great about myself. But now that I've finished my most awful treatments, I'm hoping that I can take a bit more care of myself, take the time to wear makeup and wigs. The only time I have been doing that is if I go out for dinner or if I'm filming a video. What I have been doing is, because I don't do that very often, I will put my makeup on and I will film quite a few videos if I can in one day, because I don't know how I'm going to be feeling the next day. My health has been very up and down, so I don't wear makeup regularly, and it's something I really miss because it does make me feel better. But it's taking that time, taking that effort. I know my husband looks at me twice when I have done a video and put my makeup on, but that could be weeks apart before I do that. So we're going to go for a walk shortly, and I am going to wear a wig out, so making a little bit of an effort. But I think this wig's going to be a great everyday work wig. It's going to be great for wearing my glasses at the computer, wearing my mask at work. I work at a school, so and for the fact that I have been going through treatment, I do wear a mask all the time. It's just going to be really, really easy, and I'm really looking forward to getting a lot of wear out of this. So as you can gather, this is going to be a wig that I am going to keep in my collection. I have been doing a few reviews. I've been collecting quite a few wigs. I've been buying them from clearance, on sale, trying my luck, trying to find what it is about wigs that I really like. I have moved a few on. I still am reviewing every wig I purchase, and if I don't like it, I'm putting it up for sale or finding someone else that may be interested in it. But this is a keeper. I think it's going to be my everyday work wig. Thank you for joining me, guys, and taking time out of your day. If you did enjoy that video, please give it a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below if you would like to see other video content from me. As I said, I'd really love to see you back. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you later, guys. Bye.